Hello, Ron back on Ron Brown's YouTube channel. We cover a lot of drones, drone gear, drone related tech or whatever, and other action cameras, pocket cameras, 360 cameras. We do a lot of, everything a solo content creator needs to, produce, some decent video for, the social media site of their choice. But today is a drone video. We're back with the two Avatas FPV drones that DJI has made. This is the Avata 1 and this is the Avata 2. This one came out about 2 years ago, and this came out, a couple months ago in the spring of 2024. This is now, going towards the end of June of 2024. So I've already made a previous video where I've kind of gone over, did a comparison between these two drones. I went over kind of point by point the difference between these two drones and what the advantages and cons are between either drone. And I will post that video like up here someplace, or is it down below? I think it's up here, where you can click over. You want to see that video where that's kind of discussing everything about the drones, batteries and specs and everything like that, side by side. Where this video is going to pertain mostly to the video quality. Actually, it's going to be almost all the video quality of these two drones. So of course, on paper, the Avata 2 has a superior camera than the Avata 1, and the specs, are better in almost every way. But of course, as we know, specs don't always tell the whole tale on how good or bad a camera is necessarily. So, again, basically how much better is it? The specs are better here in paper, but how much better is it in reality than the Avata 1? Is it enough to make a difference for you to upgrade from the 1 to 2, or buy, if you don't have either one, to buy the more expensive 2 than the Avata 1 now? Again, how much difference is there between the camera on the 1 and 2? So what we did is we went down to the beach kind of early in the morning. We were down there about, maybe 8 a.m. or whatever. It's already like, it's the last days of spring here. So the sun's up way early. So the sun's been up for a while then. So what we did is we tried to fly the same path with both drones, and I'm going to back myself up here before I even say that. I set them up all the same specs, both of them. We put them in 4K 60. We had them in a 16:9 field of view. We had I always forget all this stuff that people ask for, and we had them standard color profile, auto settings, all the way. And also we had them both in rock study, and we flew no ND filters too. Just to make it even, no ND filters. And we flew basically. I flew the same path as much as I could. Kind of going towards this, the exposure, and then coming back away from the exposure. So that kind of gives you an idea of the dynamic range of each drone, how it handles bright exposure, and then the other way with less exposure and shadows. So give you an idea of how both of them again how good the dynamic range is on either one. And we were in standard colors. We didn't do it, the color is the color, whatever it is out of the drone. And again, the darkness, lightness is whatever the auto settings are. Of course, you could, to one or the other. Like if you said this one was, too dark, you could always up the exposure. But I wanted to show you them in their true auto settings. So, okay, sit back, grab a beverage. This isn't going to be a long video. I kept these shorts clipped, short, sweet, or whatever. You don't need to see me fly each drone for the full battery to assess the video quality. So it's just a couple minutes on each one or whatever. So again, grab a beverage, watch the video, and we'll be back kind of at the end. Okay, go. Go. Okay, I'm back. You've seen the video comparison, this point and the other, and I'm going to say I was kind of quite surprised. I thought there was a dramatic difference between each drone. I wouldn't have told you that so much, until I kind of saw them side by side. But I'm not going to, tell you which one I thought was better or why I thought it was better or whatever. I'm going to let you determine that. I'm not going to prejudice anybody's opinion of the cameras by, going into a big, you know, uh, big review here, whatever, being critical. So again, I'll let you decide which ones you thought were better, or if there was much of a difference, or there was enough of a difference that warrant upgrading. Leave your thoughts down in the comment. What you thought of each one's cameras and what you thought the strengths and weaknesses were, the differences, and so on. I'll be anxious to read your thoughts or whatever. So well, and I want to thank everybody for coming by, and give the video a thumbs up if you got anything out of it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member. Ring that bell so you'll know when I put a new video up here. And I will drop some affiliate links down below. So, if you consider buying, one of these drones, please use my Amazon affiliate link. I am an Amazon affiliate seller. I get a small commission off of each sale, and I'm not a real big YouTube channel, so I don't make a lot of money over here off the AdSense revenue. So that Amazon affiliate sales really help pay the bills and get new stuff in here for review. So again, thanks again for watching, and we're gonna see you in the next video. But one more thing before you go, I also have a video where I talk about the the batteries for the Avata 2. They have like a little secret feature, not so secret, but maybe an unknown feature that the Avata 1 doesn't have. So I will put that video either over here or over here to click on. You'll want to see that video if you're Avata 2 owner, or if you're thinking about getting the Avata 2. It's a really handy feature to have out in the field. So okay, that's it for sure this time. See you in the next video.